Sakurako by Margaret Morales in size 50 by 63 cm round, special treatment version 1. Begins with electric diamonds that we have sprinkled on the white areas on the painting. So this would be on portions of her dress, on these areas, as well as on her veil. So choose the areas you would like to have some extra glitter, and that's where you sprinkle the electric diamonds. But we recommend on the white areas of her dress and veil. Sakurako by Margaret Morales in 50 by 63 cm rounds. Version 2 special treatment now adds ice crystals that we have placed on the darker blue areas of her dress as well as the flowers on her hair. So as you can see, the middle of the flowers have ice crystals on them. So place it on the middle of those flowers on her hair, whereas the rest will be sprinkled on the darker blue areas of her dress, like we can see here along her bodice, as well as around her waist where there's the darker blue area. So place your ice crystals in those areas to give this effect. Sakurako in 50 by 63 cm rounds, version 3 special treatment, now adds morganite crystals that we have sprinkled on the pink areas on the painting. So this would be on the darker pink areas of the flowers, as well as on some of the pink areas in the background. But you can choose to focus on the darker pink areas on the flowers to give it the uniform sort of look with the ice crystals that we've also placed on the darker blue areas of her dress. Once again, for version 3 of Sakurako special treatment, we have electric diamonds right over here for the white areas of her dress and also of her veil. We also have ice crystals for the darker blue areas of her dress, as well as those blue flowers on her hair. Place the ice crystals in the middle. And finally, for the pink flowers, we've sprinkled the morganite crystals.